Morning, second day in Kyoto. We're starting off walking to Kyoto Station. We're on our way to the bamboo grove. We haven't waking up for the ceremony though. So yeah, I'll see you at the station. Or maybe at the grove. Alright, let's go. Alright, we made it. We're in Arashiyama, heading to the grove and temples. Another rainy day in Kyoto. Let's go. Alright, we made it. Not really expecting much, but I guess this is it. Let's get in there. Alright. What a great day. Sheesh. Sheesh. Alright. I mean, it is pretty cool. Alright, this shit just doesn't stop. It's kind of like fishing, never ending, but yeah. I'm running super low on memory, but we climbed all these flights of stairs from the grove. Let's go. But I hear the monkeys. Didn't expect this, but check that out. That is freaking cool. That's sick. I think this is towards the temple. That's the entrance from the road from Bamboo Grove. It's like 8:30. Alright, we'll see. Yeah, it's a cool temple. Tick that off, another one. I'm not gonna enter because my socks are like wet a little, so I don't want to be like going in there. So out of respect, but it looks freaking awesome on the outside. Alright, before I head over to the Golden Pavilion, we just found the Kimono forest. It's pretty cool. If you're into kimonos. I think these light up at night too, right? Alright, whatever it is. Pastry shop here. And these, I know Rico would love this as we're going to Nijo station. But yeah, they sell everything. Alright, let's go. We made it. All the stress from taxing. Made it back to Kinkaku-ji. Golden Temple. Let's see what it's about. Let's go. Alright, this is probably the closest I want to get to it. But, now there it is. Just got in. It's pretty dope. I knew I should have come at 9. So I wouldn't catch the wrong train. There's it. There it is up close. And there's the back of it. Alright, after this visit, I kind of stopped recording throughout the day. I think because I finally felt the effects of over-tourism in Kyoto. It was just so packed here. There was so many people. But it was also part of my fault. I was supposed to come earlier when it opened, but I caught the wrong tram or train across the city. So, yeah. But even then, even at the Bamboo Grove, I got there as early as I could, and there was just so many people that arrived like 10 minutes later. But it's kind of what it's expected, right? Still enjoyed the places, especially Arashiyama. But yeah, the Golden Pavilion kind of just pushed it to the edge for me. So yeah, after this, I caught a bus back, stopped at a few shops, and went back to the hotel. But yeah, back at the hotel. Dope hotel, but yeah. I'll catch you maybe later. If not, maybe that's day 2. I don't record much today or Took a tiny bit of photos, but yeah. Let's go. Yeah. This is definitely the spot. If you want quality, cheap kimonos. Let's go. Alright, we gotta go. Head back. So yeah. Vintage kimono antiques. Super cool place. I want more. They were only $1,000. No, about $10.